Hello guys, in today's video I want to show you how to link your XNEX account to your MetaTrading platform. When you register with XNEX, after you register, you create a new trading account, you fund your account. After funding, now how do you take it on to your MetaTrader platform? Let me show you how that is done. To do that, you have to get the details of your trading account. You click on details here, the details section, go to setting, and there you go. This is the details. Your login, trading platform, MetaTrader 5. That is the MetaTrader you need to download. When that is done, you need to get the login and the server and then your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can always change password. But when you were creating this trading account, there was a password that you inputted. That is the trading password you're going to use for your MetaTrading account. So let's get to it. We've already downloaded our MetaTrader 5, a freshly downloaded MetaTrader 5. Here it is. They will ask you, do you want to allow notification? We allow it. Accept. A demo account is always opened on default whenever you download the MetaTrader app. A demo account is there for you to practice trading and try out new strategies before you fund your own account. Now that being said, you can click on open a demo account, or we can just cancel. For this trial, most people have it on default. The demo account is already open, so I'll be opening that demo account. Here is a demo account. Now, how do you link your XNEX account to your MetaTrading platform? You go to setting, you click on the account section here. That's how it is on iOS. If it's on Android, you find this accounts area, you see the plus sign, you click on the plus sign, same thing. Now your broker, you have to search your broker. XNEX is our broker in this case. You search for your brokers, for your broker name. Here we go, XNEX. Now we have different option. Usually it's XNEX Technologies, okay? XNEX Technologies. No matter what the broker name is, your broker name, it could be any broker. You search it, you find it. XNEX Technology Limited is what we're going for. Now, yes, this is a real account. Our server, what is our server from what we have here? Our server is XNEX MT5 Real 10. We search for XNEX MT5 Real 10. XNEX MT5 Real 10, here we go. We click on it. Now, what is our login details, guys? Our login details, simply go and copy our login details and paste it in. That's it. Now your password, the created password that you used, you put your password. In this case, I have my password written somewhere, so I will copy it down and then simply paste it here. Paste. That's it. I choose the option of save so that anytime I want to log in, I don't need to put my password anymore. Even though I switch accounts, I can always log in without having to put my password. So that's it. Yes, it's a real account, obviously from the MT5 Real 10. Done. Let's go. Let's see what happens. That's it. The account has been linked. Now I can automatically take trade from my MetaTrader 5 without having to open my XNEX, because XNEX also gives you the ability to trade in your XNEX trading platform. You can manage your trade, take a new trade, look at the chart. Here is a 1 month time frame. This is our okay. This is a 1 minute time frame, a monthly time frame. Manage your charts, move your stop loss, everyhow you want to do it. But this is not what I'm trying to show you here. If you want to see how to modify trade and manage your XNEX, manage your trading platform, you can check it out from any of the videos I have posted before. I have a video explaining that. So the purpose for this video is to show you how to simply link your XNEX account to your MetaTrader. No matter the broker, these simple steps that I've shown you, that is how you can link your account. So I believe at the end of this video, you've understood how to link your XNEX account to your MetaTrading platform. Any question you have, don't hesitate to drop it in your comment section, I believe this video was very informative to you. Thank you so much.